In this video, you're going to learn how to put drywall plates on the outside of this wall. And after we'll cut out the window, we'll get started. First thing you want to start doing is just measuring your height of what size sheets you need, and then go to your pile and cut it to the appropriate height, and then bring it back and we'll screw it into place. We'll just measure from the corner to the center of this stud, and we'll check the other side and see where 115, whatever side 115 is closest to, because we of course want to maximize our sheets and as little waste as possible. So check this side. Here's 120. If we take 5 centimeters off, so 115. It looks like it'd actually be almost perfect. We'll cut it to the center of this stud, which means we need just 112. So we are minimizing our waste on that side. So this is actually a good example for this wall. Since we have 112 to here, we're only wasting about 3 centimeters, but then a full sheet almost works to right here. So now when you're doing a wall this size, you do want the biggest sheets of drywall as possible for structural integrity. But since we can go this way, we're only going to be cutting off about 1 centimeter, and I'll go and cut our first piece of drywall, bring it over, and we'll set it, take our measurement for the second one, cut it as well, and bring it over here, and I'll show you how to fasten it to the wall.